Hello, hello. Yeah, it's another day. I will be showing you how to steam the corn, how to cook the corn. I have only two. So most likely people know is you can only boil. You can boil. That's all people know. Right? But I want to change that because like I have only two and I'm all by myself. So I can't finish both. I can only eat one corn, and I want to enjoy it. Most likely, if you boil, I will be using a lot of energy or a lot of gas, cooking gas. So I discovered a new method, how to use the microwave, and I will be able to enjoy only one corn. I will be able to enjoy one corn. And I want also you to be enjoying one corn at a time. You don't have to put too many of them, or you don't have to cook too many of them. Or if you are by yourself, there's this way. Only one corn at a time. I will be showing you. Okay, stay with me. I bought this corn in the store. I bought them in the store because where I live, there's no farm. There's no farm. Okay. It's a nice one. Still green. Okay. First of all, I will remove the husks. I will remove the husk, but I will not remove all of them. I will leave a few of them still covering my corn. Then I will clean it. Then I'll get a piece of paper towel and I will use it to wrap my corn. And make sure you don't dry the corn. So I wrap my corn nicely. Then I will wet the paper towel. And then just remove a little bit of the excess water. Because we're gonna put it in the microwave. Now you can see it's wet. I'm gonna put it in the microwave, and I don't want a lot of water in the microwave. Don't forget, it's an electrical gadget, so be careful when you're doing it. Okay, I will get my corn. I'll put it in the microwave. Then I'll put it, because it's only one corn. I'll put like 6 minutes. My corn will be done. After like 3 minutes, I will come back and turn it, the corn, the other side, which is facing down, to face up. Okay? So I will put 6 minutes. Then hit start. Then I will be back halfway. Then turn the corn. That's it. Then I will show you what goes on next. Okay, take care. This one, I'm going to put it back in the fridge. Next time, I'll be cooking this one. Take care. We are halfway through. I come around and turn around my corn and put it back on. Yeah, after the 6 minutes, the microwave beeps. Come around. Make sure the corn is done. That means it's done. The time is over. Come around with my mitten. I use the mitten because the corn is gonna be very hot. Don't pick it using just your hand. Try to get some to help you out because it's gonna be hot. Or otherwise you have to wait for it to cool. Okay? I get my corn. Oh yeah, I get a very nice smell. I get it very nice smell from the corn. Okay, the cake is ready to be eaten. Okay, water is going through. It's like boiling water. It's hot. Okay, see how it is. So it's hot. See? It's all well done. It's hot. Burning. In my hands. Ooh, it's hot, it's hot. Get a paper towel to help me. Yeah, there it is. Now it's time to enjoy my corn. I like it when it is still hot, but make sure don't burn yourself. You can wait for it to cool a little bit. Oh yeah, I'm not too. Nice. It's nice but hot. It's burning my hand and my mouth. Okay. So next time you want to enjoy the corn, just use the microwave, follow the procedure, it will be good to go. Mine is ready in less than 6 minutes and I'm only enjoying one corn. Let's enjoy one corn at a time. Before you are by yourself, don't boil. Don't want to get like 10 people so you can boil the corn. No, one corn at a time. If you have the microwave, it's good to go. 6 minutes, you're good. If you like my cooking, share and subscribe. Share and subscribe. Okay? Take care. See you in the next video. Okay? Share and subscribe. Okay. Hot.